Ferrari fans, buckle up. The iconic Roma, known for its sleek lines and exhilarating performance, is stepping aside. But fear not. Ferrari's latest masterpiece, the 2027 Amalfi, is here to carry the torch, and it's every bit as breathtaking as its predecessor. Welcome to MotorHub 1003, where today we dive deep into what makes the Amalfi the perfect blend of tradition, innovation, and pure Italian beauty. The Ferrari Roma captured hearts with its elegant design and thrilling V8 engine. Now, the Amalfi steps in to replace it, but with exciting upgrades that push boundaries. Underneath its stunning exterior lies a reworked powertrain promising improved performance and efficiency, along with new tech features that elevate the driving experience. Ferrari hasn't just made a successor. They've crafted a bold new chapter in their grand touring legacy that if you love the Roma's smooth curves and minimalist charm, you'll be glad the Amalfi stays true to that design language. However, it's been refined with sharper lines, a more aggressive front fascia, and subtle aerodynamic tweaks that don't just look good, they enhance stability at high speeds. Ferrari continues to prove that beauty and function can coexist flawlessly. Beneath the Amalfi's sleek hood is an updated V8 engine tuned for greater horsepower and torque, paired with a refined transmission for lightning-fast shifts. The car promises a sharper throttle response and improved handling dynamics, making it as thrilling on winding roads as it is effortless on the highway. This is grand touring, Ferrari style. Luxury meets track-ready precision. Step inside the Amalfi, and you'll find a cabin that honors Ferrari's heritage while embracing modern tech. Expect premium materials, advanced infotainment, and driver assistance features designed to keep you connected and in control without distracting from the pure driving joy Ferrari is famous for. It's luxury tailored for the driver who demands both comfort and performance. Replacing a legend like the Roma isn't easy, but Ferrari's 2027 Amalfi does it with style and substance. It retains the beauty and spirit that made the Roma unforgettable, while stepping boldly into the future with enhanced performance and technology. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, the Amalfi promises to be a thrilling new icon. This has been MotorHub 1003, your home for the latest in exotic cars and automotive excellence. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive updates and deep dives into the world's most stunning machines.